Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 29th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down on Friday, did gap a little bit, about 10 pips at the open, has retraced that gap. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 81.79, possibly as low as 80.04. Look for some resistance around 81.15 and look for some support around 80.50. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair gapped up 36 pips. It did retrace. We are looking for this pair to continue moving to the upside, although overall it is the bias is kind of sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 144.67, possibly as low as 140.53. Look for some resistance around 143.50 and look for some support around 141.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair was pushed to the upside on Friday, moving higher. We are looking for it to potentially run into some resistance around 165.75, possibly if on a reversal hitting support around 164.00. This pair also gapped and has pretty much retraced to the previous Friday's close. It gapped 17 pips. Now the US Swiss, this pair gapped the most from Friday to Sunday's open, or to Monday's open, basically, 42 pips. It's in the process of retracing, but has opened on its low so far. So it's pushed up roughly about 20 pips or so, maybe a little bit more than 20 pips, and is moving to the upside, but has not moved any lower from the open, which is kind of interesting. We'll talk about that in a minute. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8709, possibly as low as 0.8368. Look for some resistance around 0.8550 and look for some support around 0.8450. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the Canadian dollar at 8:30 a.m. They're releasing their GDP for March. That's showing an increase from a negative 0.20% to a positive 0.2%. Year to date, they're showing a little bit of a drop from 2.9% to 2.6%. And then their quarterly data is showing an increase from 3.3% to 4.0%. So a little bit of increase there on the quarter. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, let's take a look. If you notice, the US Swiss gap down a significant amount, 42 pips. Odds are it will retrace, but the fact that it has not broken its low, which is also its open, is kind of interesting to me. Basically, we have a low or an open at 0.84832. So what I'm looking for on that, we basically have 0.8482. I'm going to look basically for it to drop to the basically 2 pips down to 8.480, and then look for a short down to the 0.8450 mark, looking to grab 30 pips. I do believe when it breaks that low that it's going to push lower for 30 pips very, very quickly. So that's what I'm looking for during this next session. I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.